We are ready to.
So, as we have seen, call to this is used to call constructor of the same class. So, based on whether if you are passing any arguments, then argument constructor will be called. Then if you are not passing any arguments, then default constructor will be called using call to this. So here we have one more program. We have taken one class called shape. In there some variables are there. Here one constructor is there with the two arguments. Here one more constructor is there with three arguments. Here one constructor with only one argument. Then there is one display method is there. It is displaying some values. So here two argument constructor I have. Here one three argument constructor. Here it is one argument constructor. Then here we have some display method we are having for this class. Here I have one test class where I have written main program. Let us see. Here I am creating one new object. So whenever I say new shape, so for shape object will be created with three variables L, B, H. So int means default value 0. Therefore L will be assigned with 0, B with 0, H with 0. Three variables. So shape object will be created whenever we say new shape. But we are passing values as 2 and 3. So 2 and 3 means two arguments we are passing. So here one constructor is there with two arguments. But whereas here three arguments are there. But here only one argument is there. Since we are passing only two arguments, this constructor will be matched over other two constructor. So it will come to here. Here 2 you are passing. So it will come and store in. It will come into L. Then one more argument is 3. So it will come to here 3. So L value contain 2. This dot L is equal to L means this 2 will be assigned to this dot L. So 2 will be assigned to L. Here B value 3 is coming. When we say this dot B is equal to B means this 3 will come and store into this object B value. So B value will be overwritten with 3. So these 3 values come here and stored here. And it is stored in which object reference? Shape rect value. So this object is stored after it created using reference variable called rectangle RECT. So RECT is pointing to this object. So then if you go to second statement, there we are creating one more object. Now this time instead of two arguments, we are passing three arguments. So here for three arguments, one constructor is there. So for this one will be matched. So same way, 1, 2, 3 we are passing. So here respectively it will receive as 1, 2, 3. So L contain 1. So this dot L will be replaced with 1. So for this also, one object will be created with the object instance variables L, B, H. Since it is it, here also 0, 0 will be default values here. But we are passing 1 to L. So this dot L is equal to L. So 0 will be replaced with 1. Same way B value 2 is coming. So 2 will be stored in this default value. And same way H is 3 is coming. So H 0 is replaced with 3. And after we created this object where we are storing into instance variable called cuboid, which is of type shape only. So under cuboid reference we are storing this object. So this is stored and it is referenced by variable called cuboid. Okay, so that is about it. Now we have one more statement is there with the new. In this case only one argument we are passing. As we saw here two arguments is there, here three arguments is there, here one argument is there. Now we are passing with only one argument 4, therefore this will be matched. So 4 is a value coming, so int A means here value 4 will be stored in A, and we are putting L is equal to B is equal to H is equal to A, means A value 4 is there, 4 value we are storing into H, then same value we are storing into B, same value we are storing into L. So L, B and H will be replaced with A value 4. So here all zeros will be replaced with 4, 4, 4. And this object we are storing in a reference variable called Q. So under this reference variable Q, this object will be referenced. So this is the result after that as executed. So using these three statements, we have created three different objects and we are storing into respect to our reference. Since this is two variables, this rectangle type, so rectangle it is pointing. Since this cuboid, three values are there, it is storing in cuboid. Q contain all three equal sides. That's why only one variable 4 is coming. So it is pointing by Q. Now we are calling rect.display. Rect.display means with the display, the rect is what? Rect is of type shape type. Shape type means it will go to shape class. So we are telling shape class dot display. From rect it will come to know that rect is of shape type. So it will go to shape class whenever you will see rect. dot display means in that class whether dot display is there. It will go to this class and it will search whether any display is there, any display is there, display is there, display is there. Yes, here it will find display method. So it will come here whenever this is executed. Then what you are doing, simply system.out.println length is equal to plus L. So length is equal to which object? RECT. RECT means here you see we have three different object references, but it is RECT, so it is here. But L value 2. So what happens? Length is equal to 2. So it will display here length is equal to 2. Then same way, what is breadth is equal to 3. So it will display breadth is equal to 3. But height is equal to 0. So what it will display? Length is equal to 2 for this, breadth is equal to 3 and height is equal to 0 only. So after this statement is executed, length breadth values will be printed using display method. This is about first display. Now if you come to second display, now instead of rect object using cuboid reference we are calling. Here cuboid has what type? It is shape class type. So again it will go to shape class and it will search for display method and it will come here. Here length. Length means in this case cuboid length is 1. So now 1 will be printed. Next is 2 and 3. So here value 2 will be printed. Here value 3 will be printed for cuboid. Same way another display is cube. Again cube also of type shape. Again it will come here. But what are the values are there? All 4 only. So length also 4, breadth also 4. Height also 4 will be displayed. Okay, this is about, then it will execute, come, finish it. Then here you observe this dot L is equal to L, here also present. This dot B is equal to B, here it is present here also. So these two statements also present here. This is like a duplication here. So what you can do is, you can avoid this duplication and you can replace with this of L comma B. Since this is a constructor, you can use this. Two arguments are there, you can pass two arguments. Here L and B you are using, so this you can replace with this of L comma B. Then what happens? This will call this constructor. So these both are equal statements. So you can avoid this duplication by replacing with this of L comma B. So this of L comma B is exactly equal to this one, because when inside this of L comma B what are present? This dot L is equal to L, this dot B is equal to B. So exactly same two statements present here also, here also. So to reuse this constructor functionality, we can erase this one and put this of L comma B. So this way, using this constructor, we are able to reuse the code. So this way we can get the benefit of reusing the code. So this is one advantage.